Hi, welcome to mycutetoons with Jock. Today we're going to draw a cupcake, so follow along with me. As usual, we're going to draw two big eyes. There's one eye, and let's draw the other one. And there's the other one. Great. And now let's finish up with the eyes. So we're going to draw again a small line like that and another line, and as usual the reflection of the light. You're going to make a circle, and this time we're going to make another circle very close to it, and in the other eye we're going to repeat this pattern and a smaller circle within that. Good, that's perfect. Now we can draw the eyelashes. So, or let's leave the eyelashes. Let's just draw two lines like that, and we're going to draw a little nose right between the eyes. There we go. Perfect. And now for a smile, a big smile. Our cupcake needs to be very friendly. So there we go. And then from here, the next thing we're going to do, we're going to draw the little paper cup that the cupcake sits in. So we're going to rough sketch. We're just going to sort of draw a few guidelines like this and another guideline like that. And remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be perfect. You don't have to worry about that. So, and another one like that. So we have that guideline. And then what we're going to do, we're going to return the line about this much and this much. There you go. See, it looks almost like a upside down umbrella. Okay, so we're going to just connect these two lines like so. That's perfect. And then we're just going to draw a few lines down there and there. Perfect. There's our little paper cup, and this paper cup can maybe just go around like this, just two lines both sides. We're going to do that. And now we're going to draw the face of our little cupcake, or the shape of the face. Let's put it like that. So we're going to go up like so, and then another one like so. There we go. Good. And from here, let's draw the icing sugar on top. So we're just going to draw a little curvy line like this. Yeah. And we're going to bring it up to the top. And we're going to bring this one also around like that. Perfect. And here right on top of the cupcake, let's make a line, curviest line like that. And on top of this, we're going to just bring it back and we're going to connect. And on this side, we're going to connect it as well. And then right on top, we can draw a big round cherry. There we go. Good. That's perfect. And now we can do a number of things. We can change our cupcake a little, because remember, we're drawing with a pencil and we can always rectify things and change things the way we like. So what I think we should do is maybe draw a little, let's draw some more icing sugar on top. And we can maybe take the icing sugar, you know, about like this. But you can do it any way you want, any way you think it will look pretty. So there we go, there's more icing sugar right there. And then a few sprinkles. We can draw a few sprinkles in as well. But what I think we should do now, I think we have the shape of our cupcake, and I think our cupcake looks a darker pencil, or you can take a marker. This time I'm going to use a marker. So we're going to draw out the lines. Okay, so I'm happy with the shape of the little paper cup. So I'm just going to follow along like that. And what you can do is actually you can change it a bit if you want. So you see, I don't follow the lines exactly. I can change a few things if I want, if I'm not happy with the shape of my cupcake. In this case, I'm not entirely happy with the shape of this little paper cup, so look, I'm gonna change it a little bit like so, and then from here I'm gonna connect the lines like that. That's perfect. And now we can just draw a line down, draw another line, we can draw another line, and we're gonna complete everything like this. Good. And now we're gonna complete the side of the face. We're gonna bring a line down, and we're gonna complete the other side as well. And now for the icing sugar. So let's go. You can follow it, and again, you don't have to go exactly on the lines. You can change the shape a bit if you like, but I'm happy with that shape overall. And then I'm gonna do the top part of the icing sugar. Yeah, oh, this actually looks like a very tasty cupcake. And from here I'm gonna just draw a shallower line like that. You see, and that's how you change your pictures. First with a pencil, and then later on you can go over it with a pen or with a darker pencil. And now for the eyes. So let's draw the eyes. We're gonna follow around like so, and we're gonna complete the eye. We're gonna follow around like this, and a bottom line as well. And then let's not forget the reflection of the light in our little cupcake's eyes, and the little nose as well. Good. And that beautiful little smile. There we go. Well, there we go. So let's color in our little cupcake's eyes, and then there we go. And let's color in the other one as well. That's absolutely perfect. And then what we're going to do now is quickly the eyebrows. There we go. There's the other eyebrow, and a few sprinkles on top of our cupcake. There we go. There are a few, and we can draw a few sprinkles right here that we can color in later. And there we go. And I think that's our little cupcake. What do you think? I think it looks absolutely amazing. If you like drawing with me, please click the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you soon.